Here in this recording, we're going over how to find the slope of a line through a pair of points when you're given 2 coordinate points. Not much to go over here if you saw the previous video. The slope of a line, again, the letter M for its symbol. When you're given a pair of points, 2 coordinate points, we are going to bust out that formula. Remember and say to yourself a million times, y goes up high in the sky, so you remember y goes on top. Main reason people get questions wrong is because they put the x on top. X comes first in the ordered pair. X comes first when you're plotting a point, but y comes first when you're doing the slope, okay? So say it to yourself 100 times, whatever you need to do to get that memorized, and you would be given 2 coordinate points. That means you're given x1. I try to make the ones, like when I have them next to a comma, like aggressive. Oh, see, now I'm writing x. Don't copy that. That should be a y. X1, Y1, and X2, Y2, okay? So that's all you're gonna do. I'm gonna put a little star. I'm gonna say reduce, right? We're gonna put a little note minus, negative is plus positive. Just some notes on the side, okay? I'm going to show you another really important trick. Ready? If you have 0 over a number versus if you have a number, for that number I'm just using 1, a number over 0, they're different. Do you guys know what the difference is? Maybe? 0 over a number is okay. Number over 0 is no. That's undefined. That's 0. Okay? I'm going to do these very, very quickly. Ready? X1, Y1, X2, Y2. And I'm going to fill them in. M equals y goes up high. 3 minus 3 over 10 minus negative 13. 3 minus 3 is 0. This becomes 10 plus 13. This is 0 over a number 26, which is 0. So what's the slope? 0. There's your answer. I don't like to circle a 0. It looks like a Cheerio. All right. Next, x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals negative 2 minus 5 over 13 minus 4, negative 7 over 9, nothing to reduce, you're done. Hopefully you're following. M equals, now I'm not going to write so much, 9 minus 11 over negative 19 minus negative 14. 9 take away 11. Does anybody know what that is? Is that positive or negative?
It's negative.
Negative, thank you. It's negative 2. And then negative 19, this becomes plus 14. We have more negative stuff than positive, so we're going to get a negative on bottom. So it's negative. You shouldn't use a calculator for this, okay? 19 minus 14. You do, if one is positive and one is negative, this is the golden rule, okay? If one's positive and one's negative, if they're opposite signs, you subtract the numbers and then take the sign of the bigger number. 19 minus 14 is 5. Take the sign of the 19, negative 5. And a negative over a negative is a positive over a positive, 2/5. Last one, M equals y minus y. Careful formula, write it every time if you need to. Negative 8 minus negative 8. Careful. On top, we have negative and negative. Same sign, find sum, keep same sign. 7 plus 9, count on your fingers, count on your toes. I don't care. Don't use a calculator. It's 16. Keep same sign, so it's negative. Negative 8 minus negative is plus 8. You were in a hole 8 feet and you filled it up with the dirt 8 feet. So you filled up the hole. It's all taken care of. You got no hole anymore. Negative 16 over 0? No. That means undefined. The slope is undefined. Undefined slope, it's for a vertical line in case you forget. And that is the end of this one. So if this made sense and you were okay, thumbs up. If not, if you're like, what the heck is happening here, thumbs down, okay? So I know to help in the next video, this speedy lesson, okay?